Hey guys, and welcome back into our YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making some hammer beads.
Yeah, so we're at our nan's. So yeah.
This was I just got the first one today. So I did this one. It's the YouTube designs. But we need to do the ironing and stuff. So now we're going to be doing a Musical.ly one, like the logo. And we're going to be using, we've got some red and white hammer beads that we've picked out from all this tray, because we got all of these hammer beads.
And this is our little sister.
And we've got all these.
Tinder is our little sister, Daisy.
Okay, and that's our little sister.
So yeah, she's called Willow.
Oh yeah. So we're using red and white. I've already said that, but you know. And yeah, so we've got this plastic thingy-majiggy template thing, which you put the hammer beads on here like this. But look, yeah, you've got to do it on a flat surface, and then you get some this like ironing paper, and then put it on top, and then you iron it, and then yeah, we'll show you that later on.
Yes,
Yeah, we also have these tweezers which are really easy to use.
Yeah, so they don't drop.
We need some more red and white, so we're just gonna we're gonna carry on getting some more red and whites, and we'll be right back after. So 3, 2, 1. So we've got some reds, some whites.
Can't see me, guys. Hi guys.
There you go. You see now. Okay. So we have our like circle. We've got a bunch of reds and whites. So.
Thank you.
Granddad, we're playing.
Pardon?
We're playing.
You're playing?
Yeah.
That's right.
So you're gonna get some white and reds, and just put them around the circle, or you can do it on a hexagon shape. There's a video there. Staying in a circle because who cares?
Guys,
okay.
I can't have a look. These are stand up.
Okay.
That's good.
So we're gonna go round. I've done this much, not much, but no.
I'm doing it.
Just like that.
Oh yeah, but that looks cool.
Now we're going to draw.
Guys, we're gonna see when we've gone around in red around the whole circle, like just the outline of it.
Don't go quite to the edge.
Because, you know, see? So when we've gone around all of here, we'll tell you. Hey guys, so we've done the red outline on here.
Can you start doing that? What?
And now
From your photograph.
Can you start doing that?
and now we're gonna go in the middle. This is going very slow. Bobby, can you get some more whites, please?
Fine. Come on, Missy Daisy.
So we're gonna go, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go round the middle.
Hey guys, today welcome back.
So basically we're gonna have to try it because we don't know when we're gonna do the sign, like the white kind of thing. So yeah. So we're just gonna fill the
This is me and my
red
sister's
in.
coffee.
It's fine. No, it's not coffee. It's just blackcurrant.
No.
So yeah, we'll come back to you. We're just gonna keep going for this whole entire video. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you. So we'll come back to you when we've done all the red inside. So here, so this is how it turned out. I went ahead and did all of it. So basically, I filled this in with red, and then just took them out and did that. But because it's a circle, it doesn't really work. And then this is my YouTube one. Make sure you get, because I'm going to be doing a video of that soon. And yeah, bye guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like down below. And hit that notification bell while she's down there. Bye. Peace out.